This is the John Deere Frontier front loader that I'm going to add a receiver hitch onto right in the middle there somewhere. That's what it looks like when it's done. I measured to the back side to make sure it didn't interfere. One thing to look out for if you're going to do this is to make sure that, well, I had to cut off the bottom part of the receiver lip to set it back a little bit further. And the reason is because when you need to actually take off the forks, you know, well, in this model at least, you have to slide the fork all the way to the center and remove it like that. And if the lip of the receiver hangs off the edge, then you're not going to be able to slide this fork over there to get it disengaged to this little cutout right there. So just be aware of that, because if you just slap it on there and weld it, it's actually going to protrude like, I don't know, maybe a 1/4 of an inch, which is just enough where it might interfere with the ability to get the blade on and off.